Hello everyone, welcome to day 6 of our 15 days AWS challenge. Let's dive into today's MCQs and test your cloud knowledge. Question 1. Which AWS service helps discover and mask sensitive data like PII in S3? A. AWS Macie, B. AWS Inspector, C. AWS WAF, or D. AWS Glue? The correct option is A. AWS Macie. Question 2. Which AWS service allows real-time transcription of audio? A. Amazon Lex, B. Amazon Transcribe, C. Amazon Poly, or D. Amazon Translate? The correct option is B. Amazon Transcribe. Question 3. Which AWS feature allows you to reserve capacity for predictable EC2 workloads at a lower cost? A. Spot instances, B. Reserved instances, C. On demand, or D. Savings plans? The correct option is B. Reserved instances. Question 4. Which AWS service enables building ML powered chatbots? A. Amazon Poly, B. Amazon Lex, C. Amazon Comprehend, or D. AWS Step Functions? The answer is B. Amazon Lex. Question 5. Which AWS tool helps model and provision infrastructure using programming languages like Python? A. AWS CDK, B. AWS CloudFormation, C. Terraform, or D. AWS Config? The correct option is A. AWS CDK. Question 6. Which AWS service helps monitor compliance against industry standards like HIPAA and PCI DSS? A. AWS Artifact, B. AWS Audit Manager, C. AWS Config, or D. AWS Guard Duty? The correct option is B. AWS Audit Manager. Question 7. Which AWS service helps migrate entire servers as images into AWS? A. AWS DMS, B. AWS SMS Server Migration Service, C. AWS Glue, or D. AWS Backup? The correct option is B. AWS SMS Server Migration Service. Question 8. Which AWS service is best for real-time video streaming at scale? A. Amazon Kinesis Video Streams, B. Amazon S3, C. Amazon CloudFront, or D. AWS Media Store? The correct option is A. Amazon Kinesis Video Streams. Question 9. Which AWS service can provide a secure, dedicated hardware appliance for edge computing? A. AWS Snowball Edge, B. AWS Outposts, C. AWS Direct Connect, or D. AWS Data Sync? The correct option is A. AWS Snowball Edge. Question 10. Which AWS service provides fully managed Apache Airflow workflows? A. AWS Glue, B. Amazon MWAA Managed Workflows for Apache Airflow, C. Amazon EMR, or D. Step Functions? The correct option is B. Amazon MWAA Managed Workflows for Apache Airflow. Question 11. Which AWS service allows low latency access to S3 data using local caching? A. AWS Storage Gateway File Gateway, B. AWS Backup, C. Amazon FSx, or D. AWS Data Sync? The correct option is A. AWS Storage Gateway File Gateway. Question 12. Which AWS service automatically manages SSL or TLS certificates for your domain? A. Amazon Certificate Manager, B. AWS WAF, C. AWS Shield, or D. CloudFront? The correct option is A. Amazon Certificate Manager. Question 13. Which AWS service provides a managed serverless GraphQL API? A. Amazon API Gateway. B. AWS AppSync. C. AWS Lambda. Or D. Amazon Neptune. The correct option is B. AWS AppSync. Question 14. Which AWS feature allows running containers without managing servers? A. Amazon EKS. B. AWS Fargate. C. Amazon ECS EC2 launch type. Or D. AWS Batch. The correct option is B. AWS Fargate. Question 15. Which AWS service lets you securely connect IoT devices to the cloud? A. AWS IoT Core. B. AWS Greengrass. C. Amazon Kinesis. Or D. AWS SQS. The correct option is A. AWS IoT Core. That's it for day 6. Share your score in the comments and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more AWS quizzes.